Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at GlydeFootwear.com, an online store that claims to sell the ultimate stylish and comfortable shoes for everyone. They even boast about being the #1 footwear brand recommended by podiatrists, which is a bold claim for a site that probably thinks a bunion is a type of onion. But the real question is this place actually legit or just a well-dressed scam? Let's break it down. The first red flag is their glowing self-appraisal. They proudly display a 4.7-star rating from over 130,000 happy customers, which sounds impressive until you step out of their bubble and check Trustpilot. Over there, the reality is a depressing 3.2 stars with exactly one review. That lone customer revealed that the easy returns and 60-day money-back guarantee are complete fantasies. After ordering a U.S. women's size 8 and receiving a size 40, they were told they'd have to pay mysterious shipping costs all the way back to China. In the end, they got a 50% refund and donated the low-quality shoes to charity, which is one way to lose money and your patience at the same time. Then there is the issue of basic math and time. The website claims they've been around since 2022, yet their domain registration shows they weren't even a spark in the internet's eye until April 2025. Apparently, they've mastered time travel alongside shoe sales, which is a neat trick if you can pull it off. They also claim to have been featured on NBC News and Women's Health, but a quick search reveals absolutely zero proof of these mentions. It seems they're just using these big names to look trustworthy, much like a teenager putting CEO in their Instagram bio. The product listings don't inspire much confidence either. Most of the images are shamelessly copied from other platforms, suggesting they don't even have their own stock or real photos of what they're actually sending you. As for those podiatrist recommendations, there isn't a single name, certificate, or medical professional backing them up. It's just another made-up claim in a long list of fiction. Finally, if you actually need help, your only option is a single email address. No phone number, no live chat, just a digital void where your hopes for a refund go to die. So is GlydeFootwear.com legit? Honestly, with the misleading ratings, the impossible timeline, the stolen images, and the lack of support, it's about as trustworthy as a chocolate teapot. My advice is to keep your wallet closed and run in the opposite direction, ideally in shoes from a real store. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest updates.